And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 307. Let me show you right here under Edit Preferences, the history and content credentials. The history allows you to track your changes over time. So when you check that box, the history log is active, and this creates then a texture record of all of your edits. And you can specify what items should be stored or saved in a log. That includes metadata and a text file, and you could also use both. The next one, the credentials. That's a different thing. It allows you to basically digitally label whatever you create here. This goes for the document settings and then also for export as options. And this certainly becomes more and more important thanks to AI generated content. But if you're a beginner, I would advise you to just leave that to none. Obviously, the more you include in your files, the bigger the files will get. And if you're not a digital artist or something like that, you usually don't need these credentials. The history log can be helpful at times if you go back to something more complex that you've created and you want to know what was done in detail. But once more, if you're a beginner, I would advise you to keep both credentials to none and have the history log unchecked and reduce the file size, and you should be good. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.